Hello everyone, today I have two models from Poprace and two models from Mini GT, and we're going to start with the one from Poprace. One right here and one right here. Let's put these here behind. You can see they're still in the plastic, so they are untouched. It's going to be the first time for me that I will see them in real life. I ordered them at Tom's, the biggest diecast car store in the world, which is located in the Netherlands. And yes, I made a lot of videos there and you can check them on my YouTube channel. Oh, first, let's check the box. It's a Porsche Singer Targa, 164 scale. Here we got the back, barcode and article number. Poprace made many of these Porsche Singers, and I like them a lot. And this is a convertible. Really love the rims with these models. They're pretty complete, nice interior. No colors on the dashboard, but everything is how it should be, authentic. Nice side mirrors also. Windscreen wipers are molded in the glass. Is this a fuel cap here on top of the hood? I guess so. I'm not a Porsche expert, but I do like them a lot. The lanced front lights, the lanced pinkers. Big fan of the exhaust here. I think that's very important. A nice exhaust. Also lanced rear lights. Yeah, those rims are wonderful. Good rolling wheels as well in the back as in the front. We got a nice metal base and cool profile on the tires. And here we got the rest of the exhaust with a silver tip. I like that. Yeah, very nice model. Let's go to the next one. The Golf GTI MK2. Like the Singer, they have many versions of this one. Don't have all of them, but I do have quite a lot. I have the red version, I have the shell version. Do I have more? Well, we can check a little bit later in this video. Oh, don't forget the package. Really nice artwork here on the package. This is the side. This is the back. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Yep, I like box package. Beautiful front with the Volkswagen logo, GTI, lanced lights, nice golden rims, very good rolling wheels. Interior is authentic. How do I know? My parents had a car like this one. Not the GTI, unfortunately. I was begging for it. But my dad said, no, that's not necessary. Does it need an improvement? Yes, it needs a German license plate because it's a German car, in my opinion. Molded windscreen wiper on the glass. Should have some heating in the back window, like the real version, but I already like that it has windows here on the side. And then we have a nice black metal base with exhaust, not a silver tip this time. Kind of like the profile on it. Yeah, beauty. And I believe this one has also an opening part. Yes, it has. Would be cool if there was some accessories in the back. So there is room for improvements. But I think Poprace is doing very good already. Okay, let's go to the Mini GT cars. Also a Porsche 911 Turbo. Here we can see Mini GT is active on social media. Not sure what MISA stands for. Official licensed product it is. That is what we like. And also Porsche gave permission. Thank you very much for that. Barcode and article number. Let's take the plastic off. Wowie, it's a safety car. Okay, so it must be for some race. Got Rolex advertising on the side. Good rolling wheels, quiet rolling wheels. Beautiful color combination. Yeah, Mini GT never disappoints. Safety car and a beautiful metal base. Nice profile on the tire, and I like that tires in the back are wider than in the front. That is realistic. Thank you very much, Mini GT. Okay, we got the interior. Let's check the steering wheel on the other side. Looks good to me. Black interior. Seats, pocket seats, also good. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, then the last one. The one from, let's make a little bit more room for this beauty right here. Kaido House, Nissan Fairlady Z. Here we got the package. And also official licensed. Kaido House has very beautiful box packaging. Already a big plus for that. Oh yes, always forget that there is some tape here. Oop. Have to cut it on both sides. There we go. It's not a chase. That's also very nice of Kaido House that it is a box package, so you can't see if it is a chase or not. You have to open the package for it. Now, some sellers are opening the package. I think that's not fair. But in this way, everybody gets a good chance on a nice chase. I love the sound of this. Here, this one doesn't have that sound. It's quiet. It's rolling good. I like that. Yeah, it looks like the wheel in the back it's bigger, but I think it's not. It's just the same. Yeah, beautiful artwork. Advan HKS. Nice green lights here in the front. Lanced. I believe we have an opening part, and it's opening how? Not like this. Do I have something to open it? Let's see if this is working. Should have an opening part. Kaido House always has an opening part. Yeah, love the base. Oh yeah, I see details. Let's, there is a hole in here. Let's see if I can, yep, that's working. If you put the pin in here, it will open here. It's not opening that far. And that's, oh, there we go. Now it will open. Yes, I was already afraid it didn't open that far. Has to, okay. Because the engine is very, very beautiful. Let's zoom in on that. That's an incredible looking engine. Very nice details. Wow, like that. Yeah. Pretty cool. Let's have a look at the interior. It's a right hand steering. It's a little bit blurry. No colored details. We have the poke for switching gear. Pocket seats. Roll cage. Yeah. Very good, love it. Yes, the tires in the back are wider than in the front. Nice slick tires. Very cool car. Diecast car. Metal body, metal base. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button and let me know your favorite. Have a good one. Bye.